Ivie do nous homo. Waya wabo we wabava o wabo tawa bebe na reka itu pia to ko to mo bo to mo go. Itu pia to ko waya wala mogun me no princess o ogegma nwangwe. Igmeje igmeje bani because oni ya oku ne. But my YouTube channel ni ya register na princess ogogo ipomo sa nwangwe oro ni wala wa subscribe to my YouTube channel princess ogogo no sa nwangwe. So ibe la tian be o avana no wala o wa subscribe wa invite real life wa invite wa suwa ni abi do yi dan me ho so wa subscribe to my YouTube channel where be comment or wa ya wa we so ibe la tian because na we be do kan no concern do he oga investment na ya invest je do he no concern me agric he me mo bo wa ije ope ni keta na we ni ya invest je agric ina because me ro pa mo bo re tebu do oja me ya ilatin na we do igwan ikan because ka igwan kan season so here ya me ya latin so wa ila wa go me share a video na so oya me ya latin so emi opa give oni be itabo na we because owe investment via invest here no concern me agric me mo bo wa I believe where or investment na ya be company be na go company mo bo we ro where na produce even but okay no concern no give na it's a very simple thing okay then if we ma ni aga be setting the you no be simple so we maybe you ikabe ya ikabe we my Facebook ikabe we Naija Wash ina because no Kenya I focus you na na emelu because okay no concern me esme ni aga ita when na tai na we no ke no je na emi ne mana sunu emi ne mana isunu I mean ya convert it emi no ma ria ya iwe odini odo wa emi no ma ri okay na ya iwe so bi na no isunu na no concern no ge ekwe esme ni na me we ya mu emi la le han we here o ma take no we only because egbe we dey oni emi kin ya ni okay ni am emi la akokebe o wa oni o emeta na investment any be ikin because anybody no give me ona ya na emi na nege ijoko wa ona ya moto o ti be mu gbe emelu ona na ime ita because wa eme bi amugbe iga yopa amugbe iyan pa abe mu gbe mi ogo na we alajan ni be igun na abe mu gbo emi ogo kelekele abe mu gbo emi ogo amugbo even ya me no rugo herself abe mu elatian akoke ame ne fin wa na no ro rugo abe na buzoje be na be voato beje asati be viola dan be oha even egile ati be viola dan oha all those are things in my way no can convert to money or ya metal agric is very important so ni a ila ho na make sure we I na ni talo na because o make emi ogorugo ha even no be ro one ro I be set ya mugbo na ya kokemo okay when you cut na we here do okay no supply the whole Nigeria even the Africa because ma wa emi ogo ni ma me o so gi ansa ebi ame ansa ya forest ni na aba ni metal ban isoli emi la ni pa be we gbogbo afoni ya be but ni kere no hugo ha ma me ni ya fefe so do can feed the whole Nigeria even not only Nigeria can feed the whole Africa with a protein that is a miogo meta because emila na we na we mu na emila YBD na ya mu gbo emila because emila wa mo efonpa na na do mi ewe yan ka ru yan ma me pa ni afian boa ana mi ewe yan iwe yan emila yan afian le lo wo yan ma keke de emila no yan wo that yan produce a milk yan produce awe mi ke no le emila ni yan si enwe imagine yan ga mo emila ni yan amulele uwe ya mulele ya ikian na miemila ya na emewe ona do little another thing so oya ya biaje na je okay na emila amugbe wa then ya asie won then na be ya we emi owe that is another economy so in a way if you money allow ni ya invest ya je agric all over the if you do not all over the world ni ya invest in agric because it's very important because wa do ge ba agbon emu boro I produce by Hana produce by ban. When we beg and na produce by do ao or do I cover with me? If you okay no easy. So now we got a one kind in matter now. so ina we ga be igun akan so ni a ila ni a mo awo je emeni itana so ya me ya ila de na we ga agun akan ni a be ye be ni a ya mo ugbo oge no concerne emelu because wa do ge emi ya ovun edo ai me pa ni ma me ma me even ave fruit there are many fruit no red do bani nere all over the world even here in Nigeria all over the world make gwa lo me ma emi on and on your matter no hugwe so wa ila wo na ebe na ha ya imo ugbo no concerne agric oni me mo bo ebe gbe eyan me gbe bani so no concerne agric ni ala ho ni a itra ni a imo awo ijo so maybe I will drop a message now yeah, I will drop maybe I'll drop in Niger Watch so that people will hear because this is my Facebook now you drop on now even obey now because even if I try man you buy any other man river because if I are public I don't know maybe the phone no it's a belly my so we a comment or what we feel about the video about inside door mouth there mouth you should drop your comments. It's your right to drop your comments. Write whatever you want to, your opinion as you think about the video, what I said, if it is okay or not, you have to drop your comments so that you understand. So even when just people they are understand there any time, maybe people they are like where any time you know, or jamais where you have a large and when we are drop a comment or what. Ila so any here or jamais ila we have drop it for my Facebook with the name so ya ila so maybe I will the topic this I will continue the topic where in Niger Watch that's the public a public just that one is just like a CNN and now we have drop it so here ya we ya la then it one kind a matter na so wa ila because or where o manu ha me gbe ya anu na o manu ha me gbe ya ti me mo no ha ya anything. So it's very important. If you know concern if I wa do if you rock by mo bore a table do ima when I never we ti am right bet ya me right bet if I na me area ya me if I okay no ga you if I couple with me okay na ya de if I understand so you couple with me okay na ya de because if you pa asati ya we never if you pa asati ya we me ha if you pa asati ya we me no understand so odo a ibun so a table ni odo vun or ya le ya ka we emi no bun ere ere tebu do eya mi ma we yan ne ibai wo he yan ibai so yan me bai ma we yan me bai no bero le ne igai jeni igai ne me ya nware me do ge igai ni just a flower with the flower je igai je that is anything I in lo ne no seed and I learn ana do lo na do I powder that powder ni ati a flower everything flower na we have bread in your pa or ni or a flower anything I learn na is solid na do I learn or do I powder so you can change that powder or change it because on your cost in me anti bia can lie image that is farina line flower line with the cost because that flower line in me where anything at all no dry my learn it only do I flower until I get it now. So point me e me give na we e no I guy I set ya we no gun I guy I set we all a powder even a miogo I be set we miogo there are many things na set ya kan go or ya me that is the meaning of a code when the Ladian season where a mirror pa e table edo or me what ya me attack we mirror pa table edo because e no ya me attack where I never any here fe I convert I we different ones. Then the guy need an entire bank. The guy need a flower, you know. Since I have flower, I have with bread. I have with bread. I will here with maybe other things here with chicken here with bones here with any other thing. So I have a certain way guy the Yahweh. I will here with bread. I see the guy with bread. I see the guy depends because of the starch or way they are remove it. Maybe or marido. I think it is some starch or when I will away. Then I think here with bread. I tell you there were any other TV na meje a flower ya so on your flower heavy that's it guy flower ni heavy no even a car self I tell you the time now anything na he can or na is solid then I lot or do I flower so even a car I tell you where I transfer to in your way I will with your way really patati na I tell you there where I think important so only ojame ya tagwe mi ro pare table do because me na ro all those is okay can I ya fefe aya he go change ya convert it to other things. Why invite to somebody is here, let me see. Oh, I see you, my brother. Prince, okay, I see you, Prince. Where's it? Domo, sir. Domo. Invite, real life. Invite, real life. Domo, sir. I see you. Okay. So, area meniga itade iban. So, wagme invite. So, on your we are itana we or yanata we a bit bare table do. So, okay, the near Kubok benign and ya. In manivere, that's what I mean. Probably good one, and near allow because in manivere, that's what I understand. When the bubia, and I mean, if I or do I couple a minute, the table, then the table over Yvonne and the okay no ha is pets. Already only the women. Already only because he am having a he because he might blame anybody because if not those soon or soon because again manare our leaders in Kawa Rivani or Riawa because we don't know my walking a marry. We don't marry because they think any your power, mirror near at least maybe I TV cookie, he may believe. Owe muposi imata ni nami we ibi ewima iyama Miami iropa because 14 years because I cannot blame them because on your matter no ruwe on your matter no ruwe iyama mobogwa mai iya ni emia because wado ige o mama ni umana mama mi o momi wo kan ya so only a blame ni mami bobo blame me and because the man wa do their government or time me abi ya mi right ila ni ahia awe ni ahia we no hia ije their government putting out true because all mama a government that man a government ma show we ga give you only because in akeke no time me because there are many things when my ya wa yare Nigeria ni beni ya redo evi ya no lega ma ya fefe Eli ya no lega ima ya fefe igo ya there's no edo man name ego openi keta there's no edo man or edo woman no ma fe why because as far as him moto because in Africa boya won as far as him moto ya me ya fefe I see no reason no ma fe but if no lega ya ni ono igo ni ame maybe people na feel you to ono igo no ma no if emi ya no lega wan ya fefe o salo banaje where only o wa ya live ozo na je the card oge only matter no ilu we only that our people in my maybe why the citizens but even ruling ma in my why no so in my why no river no lega ya igo no river but here iwe ya jugo mu ya de we ofo ni why ni ya ruling so it's not the fault of the citizen it's the fault of having leaders no ga ruling since then but o ma ye late anybody no ye like ba ya no kenya you ina we have Latin we na need drop a message now here because Facebook now we te invite my mobile na ya so ni show maybe I drop wage my so maybe I have Latin we do we wala o wa come share a video now so maybe I Latin we Nigeria Watch or Friday ahwe ya Latin we drop this very message with Nigeria Watch o ja me ya we ya have Latin we avana ni be drop a message na na la go because no concern no na me hem bobo wa hama no concern are Greek because me rock my gelire a table do because there are many things then ya la dem Nigeria Watch then I will explain many things if no Kenya ya go if no ma Kenya ya go because a wet man ma wa even so wa will go ha no concern me ogo do can feed you Nigeria so I will explain that better the Nigeria Watch so you people should help me to share this video invite share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Princess Owowo. You get my one way. Subscribe. Already that's my YouTube. No, my YouTube is Princess Owowo. But this very one now, need me is Princess Owowo. You get my one way. So while share this very video. So here we drop when I leave it only way. It Oya wa weso wa baba yo wa ciao more ciao bye ciao